Without any words, music can bring tears, music can bring joy, music can bring love, music can set moods and emotions and experiences in people.
Music brings us pleasure and releases our suffering. It can calm us down and pump us up. It helps us manage pain, sleep better, and be more productive.
Music is the path to God. Indians have been practicing the art of music since the very beginning and is very enriched in our culture. Today, the alumni of DAV Model School Chandigarh would like to express their heartfelt gratitude to our teachers on this auspicious day of World Music Day.
एक दो लाइनें आप लोगों के लिए। शंभो सदा शिव शंकर शंभो सदा शिव शंकर
काहे को बिसारो हरि नाम बावरे, काहे को बिसारो हरि नाम रे। बड़े जतन मानुष तान पायो, नाम जपयो ना जन्म गवायो। जीव थका भय श्याम रे, काहे को बिसारो हरि नाम रे। कैसे कह दूं कि मुलाकात नहीं होती है, मिलते रहते हैं मगर बात नहीं होती है। पढ़ो तो रे मैं पहिया, पढ़ो तो रे मैं पहिया, मोहे छेड़ो ना रसिया। पढ़ो तो रे मैं पहिया, छोलिया मसक गई, छोलिया मसक गई, कहाँ कान फंस गई, यही पार पचतैया। पढ़ो तो रे मैं पैया।
जीवन के इस सच को नादा दिल ना माने, प्यार किया है हमने कोई गुनाह नहीं, क्या कहता जग हमको कोई परवाह नहीं। हो मन चाहा मीत नहीं मिलता है दीवाने।
तुम समय की रेत पर छोड़ते चलो निशान, तुम समय की रेत पर छोड़ते चलो निशान। देखती तुम्हें ज़मीं, देखता है आसमां, देखती तुम्हें ज़मीं, देखता है आसमां।
Hi everybody, my name is Siddhant Kaushal and I'm an alumni of DAV 15 Chandigarh. Little introduction about myself. I'm a lyricist in Mumbai and I am here to wish you all a very happy World Music Day. I'd really like to mention that, I'm here in Mumbai because of two teachers who really supported me back in the day when I was in the school. And one of them was my music teacher, Jyoti Mahajan ma'am, and the other one was my principal, Mrs. Rakesh Sachdeva. Had it not been for both of them, I would have not, chosen this path as a career. And once again, I would really, really like to wish you all a very happy
This is Kumar Sundar and I am alumni of DAV Sector 15 Chandigarh. मेरे को आज भी याद है हम अपने म्यूज़िक रूम में बैठ के कैसे म्यूज़िक बनाते थे और वहीं से हमारे बेसिस क्लियर हुए म्यूज़िक के। एंड आज मैं प्रोफेशनली म्यूज़िक कर रहा हूँ। सारा क्रेडिट जाता है उस टाइम के हमारे टीचर्स को, ज्योति मैम, रश्मि मैम एंड दलेश सर। तीनों बहुत सपोर्टिव थे और वो टाइम मेरे को बहुत याद आता है आज से। लाइक इट वाज 5-6 years बैक, 2015-16 बैच। एंड आज हम जो कुछ भी अपने टीचर्स के कारण है, और ये जो कोरोना का टाइम है इसमें म्यूज़िक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको rejuvenate कर सकती है।
Hi guys, this is Barbie Rajput. Namaste. I was a passed out student from DAV 15 Chandigarh. Did my 11th and 12th there, and I passed out in the year 2014. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all of my teachers for allowing me to be a part of the school and to learn so many things under your honorable guidance.
My name is Jasmine. I am passed out from DAV 15 2009 batch. Well, I have very special memories with this school and especially with the music department. I remember music department taking us to various competitions, making every possible effort to push their students forward. And then there's this one person, my favorite and my first guru ever, Jyoti ma'am, who with her voice, with her style of teaching, her love and support made me fall in love with her and the world of music. Ma'am, I owe you so much. Thank you for being that one person who sparked my interest in music, and thank you to music department for encouraging us, for being that stepping stone, and thank you for the support.
आपको ये एडवाइस देना चाहूँगी पर्सनली अपनी तरफ से कि जितना हो सकता है उस्ताद लोगों को, अच्छे लोगों को सुनो, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड म्यूज़िक सुनो, वो आपको आपके कमर्शियल म्यूज़िक में भी हेल्प करेगा। बिकॉज अच्छे लोगों को सुनने से आपका 70% रियाज, 70% ट्रेनिंग हो जाती है। So on this World Music Day, I wish everyone a very, very musical life and keep singing, keep practicing and keep learning different genres, different instruments and संगीत में जितना हो सकता है रहिए। Thank you ma'am and thank you to all the students for listening.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashutosh Saroj. I'm the one of the old student of DAV Model School, Sector 15 Chandigarh. सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों को, सब स्टूडेंट्स को, मेरे टीचर्स को वर्ल्ड म्यूज़िक डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैंने म्यूज़िक की अपनी जर्नी DAV स्कूल से ही शुरू की थी जब मैं 5-6 साल का था। मैंने वहीं से ही म्यूज़िक सीखा, वहीं से गाना शुरू किया। मेरे गुरु, माय मेंटोर ज्योति महाजन मैम, जिन्होंने मुझे म्यूज़िक से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, गाना सिखाया, एंड उनका मैं हमेशा ऋणी रहूँगा।
Hi DAV15, my name is Prabir Sekhri and I'm an alumnus of the school. I graduated in 2007. I'm based out of Montreal, Canada. So in this video I would just like to thank the school for giving me the opportunity to continue performing. I would like to thank the principal, Mr. Rakesh Sasteva, and also Mrs. Jyoti ma'am for leading the music faculty and giving me the inspiration to continue pursuing music. And I would like to also wish the best to all the future students and hope that you can also pursue music like me. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Ritu Saroj, alumni of our school. I passed my 10th in year 1996. I am having so many memories with our school, especially with music department. On the occasion of World Music Day, I am feeling honored to share my feelings and thoughts with you. Today, I am working as a music teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I used to think, why I am a music teacher? And the answer is obvious, Mrs. Jyoti Mahajan, my music teacher. I always want to be like her, as a teacher, as a guide, as a mentor, as a philosopher. And I am still trying to be like her, feeling blessed to have such a nice teacher in my life.
Hello everybody, this is Hardik Trehan, wishing you all a very happy music day. I would say there's not a single day in my life when I don't listen to music. I would say my day starts with music. So go for the best playlist, best music you love, listen to it and enjoy the day. Thank you.
सूरज जैसे
हमें करना है नवयुग निर्माण.
That's how DAVians celebrate their music day. For this video, I would like to thank my seniors for giving their precious time to make this priceless video. And I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Anuja Sharma, for making it possible. In the end, I would like to thank our music department, our honorable teachers, Mrs. Jyoti Mahajan and Rashmi ma'am, for making this video possible. Thank you everyone. Happy Music Day.